After 40, your body is constantly getting one message. Is this muscle still needed? The question affects a lot more than appearance. It affects strength, it affects blood sugar control, it affects balance, and it affects how well you function as you age. The problem is that muscle loss usually happens slowly. Most people do not notice it early. By the time they do, it has often been building for years. The good news is that this is not something you have to accept passively. For most people, muscle loss can be slowed down a lot and in many cases improved with the right habits. So what actually works? After 40, your body usually needs a stronger signal to maintain muscle. The same workout or meal that worked well when you were younger is often not enough anymore. That does not mean improvement is impossible. It means you have to be more intentional. One of the biggest mistakes people make is thinking walking alone is enough. Walking is good. It helps cardiovascular health, mood, and blood sugar, but it does not usually place enough load on the muscle to keep it strong by itself. For that, you need resistance. You need something that actually challenges the muscle, and it is not too late to start. Studies in older adults show meaningful improvements in strength and often muscle mass with resistance training. So what helps most? There are 4 big things. First, resistance training. Body weight can work, bands can work, machines can work, free weights can work. The exact method matters less than the basic principle. The muscle needs a real challenge. Second, progressive overload. Once something becomes easy, it becomes less effective. Progress does not have to be dramatic. It can be one more rep, a little more weight, better control, better range of motion. Small, steady progression is what drives change. Third, protein. Muscle repair depends on adequate protein, and many adults over 40 are eating less than is ideal for muscle maintenance. You do not need a perfect diet, but you do need to treat protein like it matters. And fourth, sleep. A lot of repair happens while you sleep. If your sleep is regularly poor, you are limiting the benefit of everything else you are doing. The bigger goal here is not bodybuilding, it is functional longevity. Staying capable, staying mobile, staying independent. The people who do this well are usually not doing anything extreme. They're just consistent. Resistance training a few times per week, reasonable protein intake, adequate sleep, gradual progression over time. That sends a steady message to the body. This muscle is still needed. If you want to go deeper, protein after 40 is one of the next topics I'll be covering on this channel. And if you want, leave a comment and say what feels like the biggest barrier for you right now. Is it training, protein, sleep, or just knowing where to start?